Welcome to Successfully at Home, where home life matters. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can stay abreast to all the videos. Let's jump right on in. So here we're starting at the website, successfullyathome.com. You can click on blog and take a look at the job posts. The job I'm talking about today is called Senior Customer Service Rep. So the senior customer service rep play an integral role of the contact center team within multiple business units. In this role, you are the primary interface with the customers on a daily basis through all methods of communications and handles more than routine customer interactions. The job is coming from Carenet. And let's look at some responsibilities. The following responsibilities and duties must be successfully performed with or without reasonable accommodations. This position handles more than routine customer care interactions and telephone answering service calls. And you will be using the telephone, email, chat, video, and other methods to communicate with the clients. Client interactions may involve researching and gathering of information, and independent judgment is often needed to determine level of urgency and appropriate response. You must maintain key performance indicators, so KPIs, and acceptable performance levels to support the assigned customer base. You will also need to adhere to Carenet Health company policies and code of conduct. Handle client interactions that may consist of more complex industry-specific terminology. Perform other duties and responsibilities as assigned. And keep in mind, you will need to maintain customer confidentiality as needed and required by HIPAA bylaws. So let's look at some qualifications. You will need to have a high school diploma or GED. Relevant customer service experience is preferred. Computer literacy required. Good telephone etiquette skills such as listening and empathy is needed, as well as a flexible work schedule. So that may include nights, weekends, and holidays. So once you're ready to apply, you just scroll here and click apply here. You will be able to apply to the Senior Customer Service Rep role for Carenet Healthcare. And once you do apply, just let me know down below if you will or if you're not going to apply. And also just let me know some other jobs you're looking for so I see if I can find some for you guys. Again, this is Successfully at Home, where home life matters. I'll see you next time. Bye.